Greetings, peeps. Our next topic covers the International System of Units. Physics uses a particular flavor of the International System of Units known as MKS. MKS simply stands for meters, kilograms, and seconds, corresponding to the physical quantities of length, mass, and time. The MKS system was adopted because the meter is a good everyday unit for measurements at the human scale, as is the kilogram, and the seconds is something that we're very familiar with as well. And in chemistry, you may have noted that they use something a little bit different. Their standards adhere to the flavor called CGS, which stands for centimeter, gram, and seconds, which is better for the types of experiments that are conducted in chemistry, smaller distances and smaller units of mass. It so happens, though, that the International System of Units, even with MKS, is only partially metric. The meters part and kilograms part, so length and mass, are based on powers of 10. They are indeed metric, and so we have seen some examples of this and done some conversions, and they're very easy to do. But the seconds are non-metric. It's actually derived from a system that is really old. It stems about 4,000 years ago when the Babylonian civilization created this mathematics known as sexagesimal, which is base 60. In other words, we have decimal, okay? That means we have 10 digits in our number system. And they had 60 unique characters before the placeholder, the place value holder, would move over. So it's a really kind of bizarre system, but we actually use it in terms of seconds and minutes. And then the Anglos came in and also adopted a 24-hour clock. So it's a very strange system. So strange that some people have even considered adopting metric time. In France, here's my French flag. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks kind of like toast with a little bit of jam on each side. But metric time was actually instituted in France during the Revolution. I'm going to set up a link there so that we can discuss that. Would metric time be a great thing nowadays to have 10 seconds in a minute, and 10 minutes in an hour, and 10 hours in a day, and 10 days in a week? Very strange system, but that's what it is. Anyway, back to our everyday use of units. MKS, that's where it's at. We'll be using it quite a bit. Thank you. Morad out.